Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm going to share one of my best loved recipe, Boba Pearls. These tapioca pearls are added in different types of drinks, which gives an additional chewy bite to the drinks. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel. So the main ingredient of this recipe is tapioca flour, and into that I'm adding some dark cocoa powder. This is just to get the dark color for the boba pearls, but you can always skip it. Into a pan, add in some brown sugar, tapioca flour and water. Mix it continuously and cook it till it becomes thick. After that, turn off the flame. Now add the tapioca and cocoa powder mixture and mix it. Add some corn flour on your countertop. Now scrape down the dough and start to knead it when it is still warm. You need to knead the dough until it becomes a soft dough. Once it is well kneaded, divide this into 4 parts. First, let's start working with one portion. So cover rest of the dough with a cling film so that it will not get dried up. Now roll out this dough into long ropes and cut them into small pieces, and try to make them as even in size as possible. Roll each piece in between your palms to make them round, and there should be no cracks on them. Coat these balls with some corn flour so that it will not stick together. Now if you want to store them at this stage, you can put them in an airtight container and freeze it. It will stay for a longer period. Repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. Once you're done with making all the balls, take them into a sieve and get rid of all the excess flour. Now add these tapioca pearls into boiling water. Now that's a very important step. If you add these pearls before the water gets boiled, then these balls will get melted in water. Stir this in between and boil it on a medium flame. Now cook these pearls for around 25 minutes. Now turn off the flame and cover it and keep it aside for 20 more minutes. Now take these boba pearls and drop them in ice cold water. This method will give them a chewy consistency. Strain it and our boba pearls are ready. Now let's make them sweet to add it into our drinks. Into a pan, add some brown sugar and water. Now heat it up and melt the sugar. Once the sugar gets melted, add the boba pearls and mix it. Now cook this for some time until the syrup becomes thick. Now our sweetened boba pearls are ready. Now let's see how to make the basic boba milk tea. Take some black tea, add some brown sugar and some milk. Now let's make the boba drink. Into a serving glass, add the boba pearls. Spread it onto the sides to get the design. Then pour in the milk tea. Drop in some ice cubes. Give it a stir and the boba milk tea is ready. You can add these pearls into any fruit drinks and it tastes amazing. So do try out this amazing boba pearls and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.